Alright, so I'm going to show you this really cool PowerPoint website. It is called Canvas PowerPoints. I really love it. It'll really help you in school with your PowerPoints. So here you're going to go to Google, then you're going to go to Canvas PowerPoints, then you're going to click on Online PowerPoint Maker. You can get the free version, but I actually have chosen to purchase it because I use it so much in school and at work. When you go to the website, you will actually see where it has all of my recent designs and also designs that I have either looked at. And there you see right here, I have created a design for school one day. You also have where you can click here on the little C for Canvas and you can go to business, and they have all the content right here for business. You can click back out with the arrow and you can go to education, and they have PowerPoints for teachers and school students and etc. So it's an endless piece that you can use for school or work. And yeah, hopefully you like it and you'll use it.